It is freezing today.
Yes, winter is coming.
We need warm clothes.
Let's go to the mall.
I need a thick coat.
A long down jacket.
Yes, to keep warm.
Good idea.
What do you need?
I need new shoes.
Winter boots.
Yes, warm and waterproof.
Okay, let's buy them.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, in my bag.
I have my wallet.
Did you lock the window?
Yes, all locked.
Great, let's head out.
Open the door, please.
Wait, where are the keys?
You have them, right?
No, I don't.
Oh, no, I don't have them.
They are in your pocket.
Not here.
Check the left pocket.
Empty too.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Check your jacket.
Nothing inside.
Did you leave them?
I had them just now.
Think carefully.
I opened the mailbox.
And then?
Then I came inside.
Maybe in the door?
Let me look. No, the lock is empty.
This is not good.
Don't panic. We will find them.
Let's look around.
I checked the table.
I check the sofa.
The table is messy.
The table is messy. Papers, cups, pens, but no keys.
I lift the cushions.
Did you find them?
I found the coin and some popcorn.
Keep looking.
Maybe in the drawer.
Which drawer?
The hallway drawer.
I will look there. I found a key.
You found it.
Wait, look closely.
What is wrong?
This is not our key.
Let me see.
It is rusty.
This is for the old door lock.
Oh, you are right.
Try the kitchen.
Why the kitchen?
You drink water.
Yes, I did.
Maybe on the counter?
Let's look.
Look behind the toaster.
Nothing there.
Check the fruit bowl.
Only apples and bananas.
Check the fridge.
The fridge? Seriously?
You are forgetful. Maybe you put them in.
That is impossible.
Okay.
We searched everywhere.
This is very strange.
Did a ghost take them?
Don't be silly.
I give up. They are gone.
It's okay.
We cannot go shopping.
Wait, use my keys.
Your keys?
Yes, I have a key too.
Great idea. Where are they?
In my bag.
Get them, please.
One moment. Lipstick, tissue, wallet.
Where are the keys?
That is funny.
What is funny?
They are not here.
What do you mean?
The bag is empty.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Oh no, we are trapped.
We are not trapped. We are inside.
But we cannot lock the door.
How many keys do we have?
2 sets.
Where's the spare key?
I lost it last year.
So we only have 2.
I think so.
Wait, I remember something.
What?
Last night, I changed my bag.
You changed bags?
Yes, from the blue one.
Where is the blue bag?
In the bedroom on the dresser.
Check it.
Here is the blue bag.
Do you see them?
Here are the keys.
Thank goodness. Let's go shopping.
We only found 1 set.
So what now?
We cannot go shopping.
Why? We have a key.
It is too dangerous.
Dangerous?
If we lose this one, we are homeless.
You are right.
We need a new plan.
What is the plan?
To the hardware store.
To make copies.
Yes, 3 copies.
Or maybe 5 copies.
And we need keychains.
Big keychains.
Very big. Very loud.
With bells on them.
So we never lose them.
I agree. Let's go.
Okay, I'll put on my coat.
Putting on my shoes. Ouch, that hurts.
What happened?
Something is inside.
Take it off quickly.
Look, my keys.
They were in your shoes?
They fell inside.
I cannot believe it.
So we have 2 sets.
Do we still go to the hardware store?
To the hardware store?
Yes.
To make copies.
We don't need to.
No, we should go.
Why? We found them.
Because we are careless.
And very forgetful.
We need spare keys.
You are right.
Let's go, honey.